Welcome to the future of streaming with IPTV on your Firestick. Get ready for entertainment. Ditch those hefty cable bills and traditional channels that limit your choices today. Liberate yourself. First, head to your Firestick settings to begin a smooth installation. This is just the start. Within settings, navigate your way to developer options. This part is crucial to proceed. Ensure you allow installations from unknown sources. It seems intimidating, but it's necessary. Next, download the Downloader app from the Firestick store. This app is indispensable. Type the URL from 2tv.store precisely into the Downloader app. This is your gateway. Download and install the IPTV app swiftly via the link. Almost there. Keep going. Launch the IPTV app and prepare to enter a new realm of entertainment. The fun starts now. Use your 2tv.store credentials to log in. This quick step ensures secure access. Explore endless channels from movies, sports, and international shows. Expand your horizon instantly. Notice the crystal clear quality and variety of content. The IPTV experience redefines satisfaction. Say goodbye to your cable limitations and explore newfound freedom with IPTV. It's liberating. 2tv.store offers superior reliability and stunning options. It's the ultimate IPTV provider choice. Experience seamless streaming tailored to your desires. Get started and unlock endless entertainment. Thank you for watching. Install IPTV on your Firestick today and transform entertainment forever.